Good evening, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com on a Tuesday evening, and showers and thunderstorms are starting to develop across central Indiana as we record this video just before the 7 o'clock hour. The most intense storm right now appears to be over Boone County, and some vivid cloud-to-ground lightning has been reported. Actually, I can certainly attest to that here across southern Boone County. We had some reports of hail earlier around the Crawfordsville area. Now we will continue to monitor the radar closely as we go through the course of the next few hours as scattered showers and thunderstorms continue to rumble across the region, some of which may pulse to severe levels from time to time. Let's take a look really quick here at some of the latest short-term high-resolution forecast radar off of the high-resolution NAM. Going to put this into motion, and it's handling things quite nicely here with right now widely scattered strong thunderstorms. Nothing severe on the radar as of this moment, but again, severe thunderstorms could pop really at any point over the course of the next few hours, including damaging straight line winds and large hail. So we'll put this into motion, and we're going to notice scattered strong storms continuing up until about the midnight hour, and then activity will begin to dissipate as it pushes south and east out of central Indiana. Most of Wednesday appears to be probably a dry day. It's going to be humid, it's going to be hot, partly cloudy skies, and isolated to widely scattered thunderstorm can't be ruled out, but we don't really target Wednesday as one that will provide any sort of widespread rainfall, at least not at this point. The next round of showers and thunderstorms appears to be on the horizon for Thursday morning, and the high-resolution NAM forecast radar here is showing this well. Valid 8 a.m. Thursday morning, we continue to put it into motion, and you're going to notice a potential complex of showers and thunderstorms tracking northwest to southeast over central Indiana. We'll keep a close eye on that. The big story going into the weekend is going to be the heat and humidity. Highs go above the 90-degree mark. We forecast lower 90s both Saturday and Sunday. Heat indices will approach the 100-degree mark. It's going to be a very hot, very humid, and very uncomfortable time of things over the weekend. Certainly the hottest of the summer. And you're definitely going to make up for some lost time in regards to the rather cool summer that we've enjoyed thus far. That said, some of our longer-term forecast models continues to key in on late August and early September as one that will provide cooler air over the plains and into the Ohio Valley and Great Lakes region. We're keeping an eye on that as we move forward, and more details to come. Also, another item of interest is going to be the tropics beginning to heat up as we go into the last week of August. We're going to keep an eye on the Gulf of Mexico. Far too early to determine exactly who or where is going to be impacted by any sort of tropical activity, but we are keeping an eye on things. Now, this is the latest Canadian forecast model that would take a tropical storm or hurricane into the Florida Peninsula, and we will continue to monitor that. Again, don't really focus on any sort of track, but instead, just know in the broader scale of things that the tropics are beginning to turn more active, and we are going to have the Gulf of Mexico as our target point for that tropical activity. Finally, the GFS forecast model, again, shows a tropical storm or hurricane in the central Gulf as we go into the last few days of August. Much more to come on this as we move forward. Have a wonderful evening. Keep tuned to the radar, and we'll talk with you soon.